everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in this video we're going to make this easy, super delicious Twinkie Pumpkin Delight that has layers of Twinkies, cheesecake, pumpkin pie, and whipped cream. Please take a minute to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need: 10 Twinkies, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 8 ounces of thawed Cool Whip, 2 boxes of instant vanilla pudding mix, 1 can of pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice, and 1 cup of milk. Use a knife to cut the Twinkies in half lengthwise and place them facing up in a 9x13 baking dish. In a stand mixer or with a hand mixer, beat the cream cheese and powdered sugar together until smooth. Use a spatula to gently fold in half of the thawed whip topping and spread evenly over the Twinkie layer. Whisk together the vanilla pudding mix, pumpkin puree, pumpkin pie spice, and milk. Spread over the cream cheese. Top the dessert with the remaining Cool Whip and sprinkle the top with extra pumpkin spice if desired. Cover and refrigerate for at least 3 hours to overnight. I hope you love this Twinkie pumpkin dessert as much as I do. The full recipe will be in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.